Exploring the flavor of language, Lavender Cookies. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a unique and flavorful expression, lavender cookies. This isn't just about baking. It's about understanding how language can be as diverse and rich as our taste buds. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of meaning behind this intriguing phrase. First, let's break down the literal meaning of lavender cookies. Lavender is a fragrant herb known for its soothing aroma and pale purple color. In cooking, it's used to add a floral, slightly sweet flavor. Cookies, as many of you know, are sweet baked treats, loved worldwide. So, when we talk about lavender cookies, we are referring to cookies that are flavored with lavender. This can be a delightful, unexpected blend of taste and aroma, much like the surprising turns in language. Now, let's explore how lavender cookies can be used metaphorically. In English, combining unexpected elements, like a herb and a sweet treat, can suggest something unusual or creatively different. So, metaphorically, lavender cookies could represent an idea or situation that is unique, innovative, or pleasantly surprising. For instance, someone might say, her approach to solving problems is like lavender cookies, unexpected but effective. Understanding the cultural context is crucial. Lavender is often associated with calmness and luxury in many cultures. Thus, lavender cookies might also imply something sophisticated or elegantly unusual. It's a phrase that could resonate differently depending on one's cultural background or personal experiences with lavender and cookies. In everyday conversation, using phrases like lavender cookies can add a dash of creativity and imagery to your speech. It's a way to express ideas vividly and engage your listeners' senses. You can use it to describe anything that combines traditional elements with a twist, like a fusion cuisine dish or a genre-bending music piece. I hope this video has given you a taste of how flavorful and colorful the English language can be. Just like lavender cookies, language can surprise and delight us with its endless combinations and meanings. Keep exploring, and remember, learning a language is as much about understanding its words as savoring its cultural richness. Until next time, happy learning!